In the comments on a previous video, STLABC requested that I show the overhead bins that are part of my workshop organization systems. We're going to look at that today at the House of Hacks, coming at you. Hi, Harley here. Today we're going to talk about one of my workshop organization systems that I use here at the House of Hacks. STLABC noticed that I had some overhead bins and requested some more details on that system. My workshop is down here in the unfinished basement in our house, and I've got joists for the floor above me that are exposed because it's unfinished. One day I noticed that the distance between the floor joists is a little bit larger than the width of one of these plastic shoebox size storage containers. And it reminded me of an idea I had seen somewhere as I was wandering around the internet of this system. So I went down to Target and picked up a couple of these containers just to see if it would work. And I had, fortunately, in my spare wood pile, some of this tongue and groove paneling that was left over from a remodel project. And it's the perfect width to just be able to tack into place underneath the floor joists, and the handle will rest on each side. I didn't have to do any cutting. Now, depending on your application, if you have some scrap wood, you can cut it to width after measuring to see how much you need. And it's a real simple, easy to put in place storage system. Using this is really simple. All you do is lift up, tilt it, and it drops right out. To replace it, it's just the reverse operation. Push it up at an angle, and it drops into place. Now I'm standing on a step stool to be in frame and demonstrate this on camera. But because my ceiling is a couple inches shy of 8 feet, it's easy enough to do this while standing on the floor normally. To easily tell what's in each box when I'm standing on the floor, I just have a label I made with a label maker on the bottom of each container. I hope that gives you enough details for this particular storage system. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. There's another video up here where I talk about other organizations tips that I use here at the House of Hacks. And down there are some videos that YouTube thinks you might enjoy. Until next time, go make something. Perfection's not required, fun is. Hi, Harley here. The words, they're not coming. Come on. Bleh, bleh, bleh.